Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DSers shipping updates for customer tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the DSers website. Log into your DSers account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard on your home page. From the dashboard, find the settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on settings to access various configuration options. In the settings menu, look for the shipping section. Select shipping to view your shipping options and updates. Now, locate the shipping updates tab within the shipping section. Click on the shipping updates tab to enable notifications. You will see a form to enter your email address for updates. Input your preferred email address in the provided field. Double-check your email address for any typographical errors. After entering your email, look for the Save button at the bottom of the form. Click the Save button to confirm your subscription to shipping updates. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your subscription was successful. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from DSers. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link provided. After clicking the link, you will be redirected to the DSers website. Your subscription to shipping updates is now complete. You will receive notifications about order shipping status directly to your email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.